Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to delete iQIYI account. So first of all, launch iQIYI app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then at the bottom right corner you'll see the option of Me. Tap on it. Now from here tap on Settings. Now on top tap on Account and Security. Now at the bottom you'll see the option of Delete Account. Tap on it. Now once you come here, make sure that you go through all these details before your account deletion. Then tap on Continue at the bottom right. Then you can see that deletion application has successfully been submitted in my case. So my account will be frozen for 15 days. So during this period, my account cannot be reactivated for normal use. And no reactivation of account during the frozen period means the account will be permanently deleted. So after an account has been permanently deleted, all content, information, data, records and rights under that specific account cannot be recovered. So after you have gone through all these details, tap on the option of Submit. Then tap on Send Verification Code. Now make sure you check your email for the verification code sent to you before account deletion. So you will be getting a code like this. Tap on it and simply copy it. Then launch the application and paste the code. Now over here simply tap on the option of OK once you see that when your account will be permanently deleted. Tap on OK. Now, once you follow all these steps, your account will be proceeded for further deletion. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.